We got power on demand. Oh yeah, it's a wrap. It's a wrap.
We have got power!
What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we was doing some live bidding, looking at some bikes and whatnot, man. If you guys wanted to know what bikes you should be looking at and what bikes not to look at, make sure you check out that video from yesterday where I show you exactly what bikes I was into and what I would have personally bought myself, man. Go ahead and check out that video right now. Meanwhile, man, we are back here in the garage, man. Another sunny day. However, it's sunny, but it's cold as heck. Just got done snowing, so we about to get up in here. We actually got our inner fairing in for our street glide. We got some parts on the floor back there somewhere. We got our inner fairing in for that. Now we can possibly put on our outer fairing until our new outer fairing comes. We might even be able to pick it up later on. However, once I get that new inner fairing on there, we can put the skirt that goes on under there on there and try to get this thing pretty much complete and at least good enough to be, you know, started and whatnot, man. So we'll see what's up. We got some flicker in action here. The battery died, but I just plugged the battery back up, so it's starting to get some juice and whatnot. So we'll keep you guys updated with that. Meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate y'all tuning in to the channel, man. It's gonna be a cold day, but we're gonna try to get this thing good to go. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's up. Alrighty, man. Where did we leave off, man? We had just put this inner fairing on there. We got some power to the bike. We actually took out the security fob on that bike back there, put it on here. We got some power action, however, no startup action. So we'll see what we can do there. Meanwhile, man, if we take a look over yonder, we do have a new outer fairing here. Shout out to my boy Javen. Got us right on a brand new outer fairing, man. So definitely appreciate that, my brother, because I definitely needed that. Definitely need all the parts we can get, man. So we got our inner fairing, we need our outer fairing. We got a little skirt trim piece right over here. So we'll throw that back on there for the time being and see what we can do with this bike, man. Y'all stay tuned and we'll get this show on the road. All right, man, so we gotta take this outer fairing off. All right, so of course, we're gonna unconnect everything. Bars, throttle, all that good stuff. Turn signals, radio power. All right, so if I move around a lot, man, it's because I'm cold up in this joint, man. So y'all just gonna have to rock out with your boy real quick while we get this. All right, and we just gonna switch everything from left to right, guys. All right, so now we gotta start transferring all the inner stuff to this one, man. So let me sit my little tail back down. Storage door. On there. Let's get these. Meanwhile, we got this inner fairing put together. Looking good on this side. Everything looks a whole lot better now. We can pop a little bit of dirt right there. We'll clean that up off the screen now. We can pop this inner fairing back on the bike and see about getting that outer fairing lined up along with the other little trim pieces. So let's see what we could do real quick, y'all. It would help if I put it on the right way, right? My sweet stuff. Alrighty guys, and just as simple as ever, we got our inner fairing back on there. The new one, of course, still a little dusty. Haven't cleaned that stuff off, but nonetheless, no big deal. We'll get it together here situated. Now I'm gonna put this little trim piece that goes right here under the handlebar, so we can just at least fill this space and make this bike look as complete as we can, because once we beat this security thing, it's gonna be a wrap. And now that we got that inner fairing on there and that the rest of the front end looking all right, I guess, until we get our outer fairing, we can use this sucker right here. Now we're just gonna have to clean it off. I'm sure the headlight might work, then again, it might not, you never know. All right, we got what we can get done on it. I mean, we switched the inner fairing out. We got the outer fairing on there. Alrighty guys, later on in the day here, now we do have our BCM, our ECM, and a new ignition. Cause as you guys see, we have an ignition here, but we have no switch. Now, typically when you turn the knob with no key, some code's supposed to pop up right here, but being that the codes don't pop up, my guess is that this ignition is not lined up. So we got to take this outer piece off right here and swap this new ignition on and put our BCM ECM control module on there, and let's hope for the best after that, man. So we'll start off with this ignition and then go from there, man. So y'all come on and let's get this ignition switched out real quick. All right, so we got access to the ignition from here. I was wondering why it wouldn't come out. It was because it was turned. All right, so we got the old ignition off. Let's get this new one on there. This new one on there, baby. There we go. You ain't sneezing, boy. You ain't sneezing, boy. All right, guys, now that we got our new ignition on there, everything up here is tidied up, all ready to go. Now all we have to do is put our modules in, and we should have some action, man. So let's do it. All right, man, so we got our BCM, we got our ECM connected, got our ignition switch on. We got power. We got power on demand. Ooh, hoo hoo. Let's see. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, it's a wrap. It's a wrap.
We have got power! We've got power, guys. You hear the vroom vroom on that thing. You hear the vroom vroom on that thing. You hear the vroom vroom on that thing, man. Yes, sir. Let's go up.
guys, I did just go take it out and ride it around, like right quick around where I'm at. But of course it is like bumpy gravel over here. So I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to go actually take it to the street and see what it's feeling like. But I mean, so far so good. I freaking cleared the code. So if we look on here now, there'll be no check engine light or nothing like that. Well, whenever we start it, rather. Whenever we start it, it'll be no check engine light. And I just checked the oil, and we needed to add like a quart. I don't know if that could zoom in or not, but I'm gonna add a nice little bit of this and check our level in again and see what it's looking like. But for the most part, things sounds amazing, man. This thing is a beast. Now I know we can throw a nice sick freaking a whole paint set on this thing and have this thing looking brand new again. I don't know, I just might, man. We'll have to see what we gonna do, man. Y'all stay tuned and we'll see what's up. I'm about to put some oil up in here and start it back up, see if we get a check engine light or anything like that. All right, man, let's see what we got. No jumper box or nothing. It's under its own power. Right up. No check engine light. No, none of that. Got a full tank of gas too. So now we can really put our amp on here and get the music on this joint too. Would be nice. Would be nice, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below and what we should do to it, man. This thing sounds like a freaking beast. Y'all know what time it is. It's time to go up. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate y'all tuning in today, man. It's been a regular odd video, but however, we do have our street glide pretty much back together and back intact. Like I said, this is just a rough draft right now. I'm trying to see if I can get a quick sale on it, man. You know, you gotta keep the cash flow coming in when you can, man. So we'll see if we can get a quick sale on it. Being that it starts, we know that we have just that much more bargaining room and standing power, man. So I wanted a certain price earlier. Now I think I want a whole different price, man. So we're gonna have to see what we're gonna do once I settle in. But I know a whole new paint set on this thing would do this bike so much justice, man. I would love to see it on here and see what happens, man. But y'all will have to stay tuned and we'll get it going, man. So with that being said, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate y'all tuning in today. Got the street glide together. If you guys haven't checked out the website, man, go to thatsregular.com, man. Go copy some Everything Regular merch. Oh man, this thing sounds freaking amazing, man. What do you guys let me know about the sound in the comments below? Now tomorrow I'm probably gonna take it out on a ride, see if it's got a cam and some other stuff. Now it does sound throaty, like it's got a nice little mild cam. It does sound throaty, but then again, those tab performance pipes are just always the beast, man. So we'll have to see and keep you guys updated. In the meantime, I definitely appreciate y'all hanging with me, man. Y'all know what time it is. Make sure you watch the whole video, man. If you haven't watched the video, man, don't skip to the end. Go back to the beginning and watch the whole video, man. That's what keeps this channel going, man. With that being said, I definitely appreciate y'all tuning in. Until next time, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.